Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. Update the YouTube app on your TV, sign into the exact Google account used on that device, and keep a phone or laptop handy. Once done, pause Watch History and clear recent shorts from Watch History so the algorithm forgets those signals. Make the immediate choice. Either reduce shorts by editing recommendations or prepare to sideload an alternative client that can hide shorts entirely. Do both if you want the most permanent result. Now, use your phone or computer. Go to YouTube's Manage Activity and delete specific short videos, then pause Watch History to stop future training. On the TV app, when a short appears, press the Options button and choose Not Interested, and if shown, don't recommend channel. Repeat until the feed adapts. If you want a stronger solution, sideload an alternative client like SmartTube next on Android TV or Fire TV. That client hides shorts. Make sure to sign out of other devices so fewer signals feed recommendations. Finish by restarting the YouTube app and the TV itself, then browse home to confirm shorts have been reduced or hidden. If shorts still appear, clear the app cache/data on the TV, sign out and back in, and repeat marking Not Interested for recurring shorts. That retrains the feed. For a near-permanent result, create a separate Google profile for TV watching or keep using the sideloaded client. If something breaks, reinstall the app or re-sideload the alternate client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.